We make it a point that this summer school is not only interesting because of the topics, of course, in artificial intelligence, but also we want to create a special group community, and we plan a very interesting visit of the City Hall of Caen, which is a historic building situated in the old abbey from William the Conqueror's time. In France, we are among the universities which have received a very important support from the national government to develop research in artificial intelligence for medicine, for physics, because artificial intelligence is not only for students in computers, it's for students in every field.